Lufthansa, one of the world's premier airlines, has accomplished a remarkable feat in the aviation industry. With the resumption of Airbus A380 passenger flights post-COVID, Lufthansa has ushered in a new era of travel. This milestone not only signifies the airline's commitment to restoring global connectivity, but also represents a moment of triumph and resilience in the face of unprecedented challenges. As passengers step aboard the luxurious A380, Lufthansa sets the stage for an extraordinary travel experience that embodies comfort, opulence, and a renewed sense of possibility in the post-pandemic world. So in this video, we're going to discuss big Lufthansa news. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Background: the Airbus A380, with its spacious interiors and superior passenger comfort, has long been a favorite among travelers seeking an unparalleled flying experience. However, the COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted the global aviation industry, leading to a temporary grounding of the A380 fleet. With the gradual recovery of air travel, Lufthansa's decision to reintroduce the A380 for passenger flights is a significant moment of hope and optimism for the industry. Lufthansa's first A380 passenger flight post-COVID. On a sunny morning at Frankfurt Airport, Lufthansa's flagship Airbus A380, named Tokyo, emerged from its hangar to embark on its first passenger flight in over a year. The atmosphere was filled with excitement and anticipation as passengers and aviation enthusiasts eagerly boarded the iconic aircraft. Lufthansa's meticulous preparations, including enhanced cleaning protocols, improved air filtration systems, and strict health and safety measures, ensured a safe and comfortable journey for all on board. Luxurious experience on board. As passengers stepped inside the A380, they were greeted by the elegant and spacious cabin that epitomizes the true essence of luxury in the sky. Lufthansa's commitment to premium service was evident in every detail, from the comfortable lie-flat seats and personalized amenities to the exquisite in-flight dining options prepared by renowned chefs. The airline's renowned hospitality, coupled with the A380's quiet cabin and smooth flight, created an ambience of refined indulgence, offering passengers a truly memorable travel experience. Implications for the industry. Lufthansa's decision to resume A380 passenger flights carries broader implications for the aviation industry. As one of the first airlines to reintroduce the A380, Lufthansa's confidence in the recovery of long-haul travel sends a positive signal to other carriers worldwide. The move also highlights the continued relevance of large-capacity aircraft in meeting the future demands of global air travel. Lufthansa's commitment to sustainability is further emphasized as the A380 boasts impressive fuel efficiency and reduced emissions per passenger, aligning with the industry's ongoing efforts towards environmental responsibility. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. The path to recovery. The resumption of A380 flights by Lufthansa serves as a significant milestone on the path to recovery for the aviation industry. It symbolizes the gradual restoration of confidence in air travel and signals a positive turning point for airlines, passengers, and industry stakeholders alike. As global travel restrictions ease, Lufthansa's decision to reintroduce the A380 not only offers travelers a unique and opulent flying experience, but also signifies the revival of long-haul travel and the gradual return to a new normalcy. Lufthansa's resumption of passenger flights with the Airbus A380 represents a significant milestone in the recovery of the aviation industry post-COVID. With a renewed focus of passenger safety, comfort, and luxury, Lufthansa is leading the way in restoring global air travel connectivity. The reintroduction of the A380 not only showcases Lufthansa's commitment to providing an exceptional travel experience, but also underscores the enduring allure of this iconic travel. As the industry rebuilds and passenger demand returns, Lufthansa's historic achievement serves as a beacon of hope for the aviation industry, inspiring confidence and heralding a brighter future for travel. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment with your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.